When a client's buying a property and getting a mortgage, the most important documents we're going to deal with are the deed and the mortgage. Now, the deed is the document that transfers the ownership of the property to the client. It's recorded in the public record. In Horry County, that's at the Register of Deeds office. The mortgage is the document that documents the bank's interest in the property. In the U.S., we tend to refer to our mortgage as what we owe the bank. Everybody does it. Bank officers even do it. It's not technically accurate. One of the other documents that will be signed in the closing is the note. And the note says that the buyer owes the bank whatever money is being loaned. The mortgage says if the buyer doesn't pay the note, the bank has a right to the property. So the note never gets recorded in the county record. Nobody knows what your interest rate is. But your mortgage, which states the bank has an interest in your property, that gets recorded in the county record so that anybody looking to buy your property or to do anything with your property understands that not only do you own it, but your bank has an interest in it as well. Those are the most important documents. Probably the most practical document we deal with is called the closing disclosure, and that's the first document I go over in any closing. It explains what the purchase price is, what the loan amount is, what the interest rate is, whether that interest rate can change, any thing that is added to the monthly payment of principal and interest, like an escrow for taxes or an escrow for insurance, and it tells how much money is being brought to closing. It also details how the money being spent at closing is being spent. How much is going to the title abstractor who searched the history of the property? How much is going to the bank for the initiation of the loan? How much is going to us as the attorney? How much is going to the real estate agent? So we go over every bit of that so that by the time we're through with that document, the client has a pretty good understanding of what am I borrowing, what's it costing me, how much is the cost today, how much is the cost over the next 30 years. It gives a pretty good overview of the whole transaction. So once a client's seen their closing disclosure, their note, their deed, and their mortgage, those are the critical documents. Now, there are about another 2 inches of paperwork we have to go through to make the banks happy, but we go through all of that as well and make sure they understand it.